Hi everyone, I was creating something and I found a audio-reactive technique I want to share with you. I want to map whenever there is a I don't know how to describe it, but whenever there is a high pitch there, I want to map a switch between the black and white. If I simply map the trigger like this, for example, yes, I set a threshold, but whenever it reached to threshold, it reached to that state and then instantly jump back. And this is not the visual I want. I want it to sustain a little bit longer. So how do we do that? I found the trigger. So whenever there is on and off, you want to switch, but you want a gradual, smooth out or delay, you can use trigger for that. Connect the 0 and 1s to trigger, and in the sustain level, you test out the decay length. The decay means how long it takes to go back to the previous state. For example, if I put 0, you will see it will instantly jump back. And then if I put 0.5, oh yeah, I didn't use this, yeah. So now it's too much, I'm sure. The trigger, if we put 0.5, you'll see the difference. It's much more natural. And then the difference, yeah, it's kind of off. Yeah, so that's the technique. Regarding about how do I trigger that, let's stop it for a while. How do I detect it in the first place? You can grab the audio reactivity low and high component. I will link in the description down below. You can also just grab the audio reactive component from touchdesigner. It will work the same. Audio reactive, let me find the tool. Audio analysis. Yeah, so basically you connect your audio input to audio analysis, and in the select, and then you just select the, for example, high, and then you want to get the trigger when the audio reach to a certain threshold. You can use logic for that. You connect a logic, and then you use the convert input off when outside bound. In this case, I will just use this one, still our previous. So you can connect to a trail to see the range so that you know which threshold number you should put in. In this case, I want like this range, so roughly around 0.85 something. And in here, you see I put 0.821. So whenever it surpass that range, you will turn it on and off when outside of the bound. In this way, we are able to get the trigger, and then, like I said before, not this one, you connect it to a trigger and sustain, just test out which one works best for you, and then that's it. I hope you found this useful.